Hi guys, welcome to Only Man's Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss exercise 6.5 sum 3 of chapter progressions, topic GP, geometric progression. Third sum, second bit. What is given? Find the indicated term of each of the following geometric progression. Here they mention first term, they give first term and common ratio, and they are asking to find the sixth term of the series. As I said in the previous videos also, in the series, either AP series or GP series or HP series, we are talking about GP series right now, right? So whenever they mention first term, that is A or A1, and they mention R, that is common ratio, then if we have these two terms, then we can find any value in the given series. Okay? See here guys, first write on the general term of GP, that is AR square, so on, AR power n minus 1. That is Tn equal to A into R power n minus 1. This one we call it as nth term of the GP series or general term of the GP series. So substitute the values. They are asking sixth term, so substitute the value. T6 equal to, in place of n, replace by 6. So A is minus 12 or A1. A1 or T1, both are same. So R is 1 by 3 and n minus 1, that is 6 minus 1. Simplify. So 12 and these 4 3's get cancelled. So left out is 1 by 3, but here minus is there, so we get minus 1 by 3. Therefore 60 term is minus 1 by 3 guys. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.